Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quarter review, we will explore if this retail media optimization platform could be the game changer you've been searching for. So to get started with the key information about this platform, which is Quartile. Quartile divide a data set into 4 equal parts or quarters. The second quartile is the median main half of the data and is below it. The first quarter marks a bottom 25% and the third quartile mark the top 25%. You can calculate them using a formula in statistics or in Excel. They are like a percentile. The interquartile range show how spread out the middle half of the data. So simply put a quartile help you see how your numbers are spread out. I'm talking about the top benefit of this platform. It helps you save times and effort. It also improves hash performance and increase your sales together with it helps you understand your data better and stay ahead of all competition. They also help you manage hash in one place. So talking about the features, Quartile has a smart tools that help you run your ads better. These features save your times and show you what's working, and let's check out some cool features. So one of these features is the unified reporting that helps you maximize your work. It also comes with a full customizable campaign and a keywords management and automated hour binding together with an expansive reporting site. So I'm talking about the pros and cons. Thinking about using Quartile, it's smart to look at both the good and the bad side. So this will help you decide if it is the right fit for your business. So let's get started with the pros. So one of the good side of this platform is it helps you save times and it also helps you with your ads performance better. It also increase your overall sales and provide a clear data insight. Together with it also help you keep a competitive online. Then talking about the downside of this, which is the price might not suit everyone. Some features have a learning curve which is difficult to run as a learner. Then also complete and automation needs a monitoring, and the best result needs a good setup. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this powerful website.